All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about my top 5 tools of 2019. Year's coming to an end. My top 5 new tools I've gotten in 2019. You know, everybody does their end of the year list. I figured I'd join in. So let's talk about my top 5 tools that I've gotten in 2019. So first up is going to be a combo. I'm not picking one tool from it. I'm just picking all of them because I love them all. But we're talking Milwaukee. They killing it with their power tools. They're, you know, they just got to be on the list. I'm not going to pick one specifically, just Milwaukee in general. Love them, use them every day. They get beat to snot. Love them, love them, love them. So next tool that I've bought or gotten in 2019, Matco Hyper Step drill bits. If you haven't used these, dang, they good. You know, these are really good drill bits. You know, Astro Pneumatic, who builds them for Matco, did a great job on the metal. Really impressive. The only downside is when you're trying to drill a bolt out and you go to the end where the tips are, and you just want to put a helicoil or something in there, you're going to have to pull out a conventional drill bit or go a little deeper, hopefully not, you know, puncture anything. But love those. Next one of 2019 is from SnapOn, their digital multimeter advanced. I do actually really love this. The big screen, you know, I don't use a multimeter a lot, but I do enjoy using this one. And usually when I'm using it, I've got an intermittent draw that I want to hook it up and, you know, through the tool and just let it go. Keep in mind, it will eat 9-volt batteries, but I do really like this tool. Really glad I bought it, even though it's, you know, stupid expensive. All right, next tool has gotten a beating. I mean, it never comes out when, you know, when its job's easy. That's Big Nasty. This thing has gotten, you know, thrown to the wolves many, many times. I mean, to the point where we're having to use Big Nasty and a torch, and it's still struggling to get it out. You know, we've had some of those. Big Nasty is Big Nasty for a reason. It is big and nasty. My last tool is by OTC. It's nothing spectacular, you know, mind-blowing, any of that stuff. It is this power supply. I know it's simple, but the simple things in life make you happy. You're diagnosing cars where they have to keep the ignition on for a while, raise the car up and down, and you know, I love my SnapOn charger, but unfortunately that is a limiting factor. Is, you know, going up and down can be a little difficult. This, I can put it in the engine compartment, pull down the power cable, and it can go up and down all day long and no big deal, and it maintains, you know, voltage on that vehicle so I don't run the battery down or wind up invalidating testing because I go low voltage. And do really love having this tool. It's helped a lot with diagnostics. You know, obviously it's a clean power source for programming, so it comes in handy for that as well, but it is definitely one of those tools that I love having. Comes in handy all the time. If nothing else, to keep your customer's battery from going dead, and you know, them coming at you know, 10 o'clock at night to pick it up and the battery don't crank the car. Been there, done that. So maintain the battery, they should be good. Obviously if the battery's bad, should be replaced, but customers don't always listen to us. So I hope you enjoyed my top 5. If you did, give me a thumbs up. You want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out new videos. If you didn't like my list, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.